This video is going to show you how to install N20 camera. Now let's get started. First, take out the mounting bracket from the accessories. Loosen up all 3 screws on the mounting bracket so that we could adjust the camera view angle easily. Mount the bracket on the wall using included drilling template and screw kits. Screw in the camera. To avoid false break alarm during the installation, press the power button for 5 times to turn off the camera temporarily. You would hear 3 beepings with the LED indicator off. You could also disable tamper alarm in camera setting menu. Hold down the power button for 2 seconds to bring the camera back. Adjust the camera view angle, and test it out in the app to ensure you've positioned the camera the way you like. Now, the camera is installed.